Hi everyone, today we're going to draw a jack-o'-lantern with candy.
That's right, we're going to be drawing a nice jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. We're going to put our favorite thing about Halloween, which is candy. We're going to be decorating our drawings. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Great, get your pens and your paper. Always also like the video if you like our pretty little drawings. Okay. And subscribe.
Pens.
These are markers, our Sharpies.
We're using Sharpies today.
That's right.
As well.
All right, let's get ready to go. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw some candy. So I'm going to start drawing a few different candies and you can follow what I do, okay? I'm going to draw a big circle over here on this side. Perfect space, there we go. You draw a nice big circle there. And I'm going to put some wrappers on it. So you can draw two little lines that come out and you can draw a zigzag line between. And that looks like a nice wrapper. Good job. And we can draw a wrapper on the other side. Wrapper that one. Very nice. We can also draw without a wrapper as well. But what we're going to do next, we're going to draw some jelly beans.
Yeah,
so this is how I draw a jelly bean, okay? We're going to do a little curve like that next to there. Draw a little bit over there. Yeah. Okay. Right, and then we're going to draw another little curve over there. Kind of like the letter C. And another letter C on the other side. And then we're going to join these two like that. That's right. Try to draw it a bit fatter like this. Draw another line. We're going to draw another one behind. Do it round, but do it a bit bigger this time. Bring it back down a little bit. Okay, down to there. And then we draw another one like this. A little bit smaller. And then join them with a curve in the middle. There we go. And let's do another one. And draw another one like that.
I'm going to do it like that.
Oh, what should I do? I'm going to draw it like this. Yeah, and we can try draw another one like that over there. That's it. Very good. I like it. Okay, let's try do some maybe some like jawbreakers. So I'm going to draw one like this. The really hard candies, and you can draw one behind there. Oh, that can be maybe something else, like a sour worm or something like that. Then we're gonna draw. Let's try to draw a chocolate, wrapped chocolate. So let's draw a line like this, just diagonal over there. Very good. Okay. Don't go too fast. You don't have to rush. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw another line coming up and out like that. So we're gonna go up and out here.
Can you
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line like this, okay, and I want you to copy that line over here.
Okay.
See, I'm going to do mine like this. All right, and then look what I do here. That's it. We're going to do a little round bit and then come down and then round again.
That's a little trick.
Yeah, it is, but yeah, a little one. So do a round bit and down and round again. That's perfect. And then round in. Very good. And at the end, we're going to do two lines, and this is going to be the rapid part. The wrapper and some zigzags for our wrapper. Other side. Very good. It's a bit tricky to draw a nice candy.
Yeah.
But you're doing an awesome job. And then I'm going to draw a few more jelly babies. Sorry, not jelly babies, some jelly beans. Draw a few more over here. So you can draw a couple more.
I want to draw a jelly baby. I like jelly babies.
Okay, you draw one.
I really love jelly babies.
Okay, yeah, somewhere in the middle there. And you can even put some stripes on some of your nice sweeties. Just don't have to rush. Okay. I'm gonna put one, let's try one long one like this. Draw a straight line here to there. A little bit more in over here. Join those lines together. Good. And now draw another straight line above it. Same length.
What's that?
Starting here. Same length to there. Try draw those ones together. That's it. And now on each side, join them with a curve. Kind of like a curve for cat. Great job. And then we're going to put a wrapper, a little bit of a wrapper on each side. And they can kind of be behind other sweets if they are. That's fine. Yeah, it can just be behind like that. Good job. All right. I think we've done some really cute candies. So,
what's this candy?
oh, it could be anything. It can be something
what it
sour
can
or
be.
sweet. What is it?
It can be like one of those circle things. Those purple circle
Okay,
things.
cool. All right, let's draw a jack-o'-lantern now. Ready? Okay, first thing we're going to start with is his nose. And his nose is going to be kind of like a triangle. So we're going to draw a line going up like that. So we're going to start there and draw a line up to there. That's it. And then back down to there. Draw that one. Good job. And then we're going to join it at the bottom together with a little bit of a curve. Good job. Okay, now we're going to draw his eyes. And his eyes are going to be kind of the same shape, but we're going to draw it on this side. We're going to draw a line that curves like that. So let's start there and draw that line, but going the other way. Very good. And we're going to draw on the other side, we're going to draw the same line. And let's make his eyes nice and big. And we're going to draw an eye like a curve coming out on each side. Very good. And then let's draw them down to the edge there. Very nice. And what we can do here is to make it kind of look 3D. We're going to put a line inside from this side to there. You can join that with a curve. And the other side too. Good job. I like your eyes already. And then we're going to draw two lines. Another triangle. So this type of shape, this kind of pointy shape, we're going to draw inside. Look what I do. Goes up and down.
Up, down.
Amazing. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his mouth. So we're going to copy this line and we're going to draw it just underneath, just like that. So it's going to start here and end there.
Nice smile.
Yeah, it's going to have a nice smile. Or you can draw him with a frown. You can make it more scary if you want to.
Yeah.
And then we're going to draw two teeth and two triangles. We're drawing lots of kind of triangle shapes on either side. Gotta have some sharp teeth. Very good. Awesome. And then we're going to join his mouth to here. And then the next line to there. Okay, good job. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw another triangle bit. It's going to be in the middle of these two. And you're going to draw that over here. Good job. And now we're going to join this part. We're going to go all the way around behind that tooth and then join up at the top. So what should I do? Just going to go all the way around and join in. Good job. And then on the other side, we do the same. Nice work. So now we got his face and his smile. And now we got to draw the shape of our big, nice orange pumpkin. And we're going to start with the top here. We're going to draw a curve that doesn't touch anything, but it's going to be in the middle. So it's going to go like this. Can you do that? Just from there to there with the curve. Very good. And then we're going to draw another one that starts from behind. We're going to go from behind the curve. So you can start there. And we're going to go like that. Very good. And we're going to try and do the same one on the other side. Good job. And then we're going to do one more again from behind. And it's going to start from this side and go down like that. Good job. You can start a little bit higher on the next one. So start over here. It's going to be up here. It's going to go down. Very good. Okay. And let's draw this. I'm just going to bring this line in a little bit. And this one can come in a little bit too. And then we're going to draw a line. So it's going to be the same as this one. And it's going to go like that. So you can draw a little curve over there. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw one more curve that starts here and comes here behind all your candy. And it's going to come up behind this one. Okay. Actually, you need to do one more here. I don't have to do it because my jaw break is there. So you can draw a little curve there. From here to there. I can give you some points. Just draw a little curve over there. Doesn't matter that our drawings are not exactly the same. We're having fun, right?
Yeah.
And then we do one more line. And mine are gonna be behind everything. So you can draw from here just to there until it touches your candy. Awesome work. And then you can actually just finish this off right there. Good. And then last thing is the stalk. That's right, the little stalk of our jack-o'-lantern. And we're gonna draw a line that comes up on either side. So we can go like this. You can do two little lines. Great, and we're gonna join them at the top here. So we can draw a circle over there. You draw a little circle at the top. That's where we've chopped off his little stalk. And then we join that one to the bottom, like I did there. That's it. And then we can join this one too. Good job. And then we can just add maybe a few little details in there. I think you have done an awesome job. Now we get to color. Yeah. Our favorite thing. All right, we're going to be fast forward through our coloring, but you can pause it if you need to catch up. Yeah. All right, let's go. Well, Summer, we did an amazing drawing. What do you think of our wonderful little jack-o'-lanterns?
I love it.
Yeah, and all of our favorite candy as well. Yeah. Great job. High five. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That's right. Me too. Hope you all had fun too. And if you like our cute little jack-o'-lanterns, give us a thumbs up and like the video. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.